The customer portal is a way for you to give your clients access to data stored within OpenCRM. In this video, we're going to show you firstly how a client can access the portal, and secondly how you can control what is displayed. To give one of your clients access to the portal, find their contact record on your system and hit Edit. You need to tick the portal user box. You'll also need to set their portal username. You can also control which areas of the portal they can access. Once you've done that, you can save the contact record and you can send them their user details via email. Once they have logged in, the portal user will see a screen like this one. Here they can review and, if need be, update their contact details. As you can see, the mobile phone number was edited via the portal, and this has been updated on the contact record in OpenCRM. Back on the portal, the sales modules listed give the client the ability to view their sales history with you. For example, if we go into Invoices, the client has an overview of both their outstanding and paid invoices. On the invoice row, you have the option to download a PDF copy. Clicking on the invoice subject will open up the invoice, giving you the chance to review the details. As well as viewing records, you can use the portal to create Helpdesk tickets and to upload documents. From the menu on the Helpdesk button, click on New Ticket. Fill in the details of the ticket, and when you're done, hit Submit. This has created a ticket in your system. You can manage the ticket as you normally would. If you add any notes, tick the Show on Portal box to share this information with your client. Note they can add further comments or upload documents from this screen too. It is very straightforward for you to set records to be visible on the portal. On the Edit screen in all the relevant modules, there is a Show on Portal button. And ticking this box will enable that record on the portal. Within the Sales modules, you also have the ability to link a PDF version of the record, which will allow the client to download a hard copy. One final area that your clients can control is managing their email preferences. This feature is designed for marketing purposes and allows your client to keep their subscription details with you up to date.